Srcset and picture tag genuinely let the browser choose the real best image for the actual device, resolution, or screen size. In this video you'll build real responsive images. Srcset genuinely offers the browser real multiple image sizes. It actually picks the best one based on the real device's screen and pixel density. Picture genuinely lets you serve a completely real different image, not just a resized one, based on actual real conditions like viewport width. This real pattern genuinely serves a modern WebP format when supported, falling back to real JPG otherwise. Srcset genuinely offers multiple real image sizes for the browser to choose from. Picture tag genuinely allows serving a real different image entirely based on conditions. Both genuinely help real performance, especially on mobile devices. Add a real Srcset with two sizes to an image in your project. Ready to genuinely lazy load images for better performance?